Systems check confirmed. Weather window optimal. Prepare to launch. Over.
Status green on all systems. Standing by for confirmation. Over.
Echo 5, you are clear for release. Over.
King 6, launch initiate.
Over.
Descending past 2,000 meters. Pressure stable. Visual is minimal. Over.
Echo 5, you're closing in on anomaly coordinates. Maintain course. Over.
King 6, we've made contact with the ocean floor. Holding position. Over.
Echo 5, continue sweep and report abnormalities. Over.
King 6, we have visual on cable. It's severed. Looks wrong. Over. Ghost 2, air check confirmed. Stand by for hatch cycle. Over.
Copy that, King 6. Ready for exterior deployment. Over. Chamber door unlocked. Pressure's stable. Stepping out now. Over.
Stay sharp out there. Over.
Echo 5, you got visual on me? Over.
Got you clear, Ghost 2. Welcome to the bottom. Over.
Ghost 2 in full view. Video link stable. Relaying feed to King 6 now. Over.
Understood, Echo 5. Maintain full situational awareness. Over.
Hold up. I got a formation. Like a totem. Over.
Confirm visual. Sending snapshot to King 6. Proceed with caution. Over. King 6, we've spotted terrain anomaly. Looks like an eye on the seabed. Over.
Say again, Echo 5. Clarify visual. Over.
Confirmed. Forwarding image now. Shit! King 6, the formation just moved. Over.
Echo 5, fall back and maintain distance. Repeat, fall back. Over.
King 6, we've got movement on the floor. Something's waking up. Over.
King 6, something's rising. It's alive. Request immediate evac. Over.
Ghost 2, hold position. Over.
Contact. It's right on me.
King 6, Ghost 2 is down. Repeat, Ghost 2 down. We've been hit. Taking damage. Over.
Thrusters offline. Repeat, thrusters offline. We're descending fast. Over.
Try to ascend, Echo 5.
Repeat, ascend. Over.
What the hell?
Echo 5, do you copy? Say again, do you copy?
There's something built down here.
Over. Repeat your last, Echo 5. Build what? Over.
Affirmative. A structure look ancient, but not human. Over.
Maintain visuals and report. Stay alert. Over.
Oh God. Looks like we just woke something up.
Echo 5, do not engage. Repeat, fall back. Over.
Oh shit!
Echo 5, respond. Do you copy?
Shit!
Echo 5, respond. Over.
It's coming! It's coming!
Echo 5, do not engage. Repeat, evade and ascend.
No!
Echo 5, respond.
Do you copy? Echo 5, respond. Over.
Contact! Something's rising. Everyone move now! All stations.
Lockdown procedures, now. We're under assault. Over.
God, what was that thing? What have we done? Please, God, have mercy on us!
This is Channel 7, hovering above the Atlantic sector, where the deep-sea expedition ship Argus has been found heavily damaged. No signs of life on board. The entire crew is missing. Wait, hold on. Oh my God! A whirlpool's forming! Something in the water!